How's it going, everybody? This is my 2019 Sportster 48. This is going to be my before and after video of changing the headlight out. I already started to take it out and I thought I should record a before and after video, so I put it back in really quick, and I had already started to sand this because I'm going to paint this black because I freaking hate chrome. So this is how it looks right now. I'm going to get a shot of it on really quick. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell, but this is with the high beams. Yeah, and I'm also gonna change these out to LEDs. I don't know if you can really see, but there's that. Those with the low beams. That's with the high beams right here. Can't see nothing. Okay, this is the light that I'm gonna be putting in. I got it off of Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description if you guys like. The pictures I saw online looked freaking sick, so. Wow, looks awesome. So there's some customization required for this light, because in order for the daytime running lights, for these ones right here and the middle strip, it has a third extra wire that needs to connect to this third prong. So I got an extra piece of wire I had laying around. I spliced it into the other wire that they had, and then I just wrapped it around this third prong. If I get this thing to focus, there we go. And I just wrapped it around the third prong, and I know it's not the prettiest work, but it should do the job. And I'm also gonna install these into the blinker lights and the tail lights. They come in pairs. One's supposed to be red, one's supposed to be white. So I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, here you can see I was spray painting the ring that goes around the light. Just some semi-gloss acrylic. And I like how it looks way better black than chrome. I think it looks way better. What do you guys think? Alright guys, finally I am done, and I like how it looks way more now. Can't really see the separate bulbs in this angle. There you go, kind of better. Right now is the daytime running lights. As you can see, I replaced these two. And I just took it for a test ride, and it is way brighter, way better. And I changed the tail lights too to LEDs. I wish the camera picked it up better. It just makes it look really bright. Alright, I'm gonna put the bright lights on. Yeah, it's really bright. And I'll get a shot of it off. So that's how it looks. Alright guys, thanks for watching.